Hi friends, it's Peggy Noe from PrettyPaperCards.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm here today to show you what's in this fabulous box. It's a neat box, it's nice and slim. Let me show you the edges. And it has in it a fabulous new kit from Stampin' Up! Called the Celebrate Today Magnet Board Kit. And I wanted to come on today to show it to you because I love it and I think it's so neat. So what I'm going to do is open the box, and I'm going to I don't have a lot of room here, so let me get it out and get it open, and here is what's inside. This is a magnet board. And I'm going to take the box away. Very cool box. You're going to want to save it. And here is the magnet board. Now, it comes with a white piece here that is a board. And here's the back. And so we are given, with your kit, you get two different 12 by 12 sheets that you can put in your frame to cover the white magnet board. This is one, and it has a black background. And this is the other one, and it has a gray patterned background. But you know my favorite color is pink, so I had to choose the pink one, right? So I've chosen the pink background, and all you do is you just fold these little guys up, and I just don't want to do it again because I have this in just right. You just fold these little guys up, slip your paper in, and press them back. I could even do it with my nails. I didn't even need any type of tool or instrument or anything. And then you're ready, and the board behind is magnetized. Now what you're given with the kit, there's lots of goodies with the kit, and one thing you get are 6 of these neat clips, and they are magnetized on the back right there. And so whatever you clip into them, it just will stick right on the board, and your other magnets will stick on there too. So what you do, it comes with neat instructions, and you can see what it's going to look like when you get everything done, and there are lots of variables, lots of things to choose from that I'm going to show you right now. But this is the gray background, and this is how it might look for you. So let's take a look at some of the things that come with it. First of all, you get a whole bunch of cards. They look like 4 by 3 to me, but you can use these for just anything. And this is the little kind of calendar one that you can put up there and hook on to your little clip. You can fill in the dates and just clip that on. It just has cute other cards. You can make lists. I kind of like this one. Just all the colors that are included. There's a neat list making one. And so you can just play around and have lots of fun with all of these cards. And I'm going to show you a couple things that I've done. So it also comes with stickers, lots and lots of stickers. And I've already started using mine. And so you're going to get all these sheets of stickers. This one has more words and phrases on it. This one has flowers, butterflies, and borders. And this one has more flowers and borders and just fun things. Now you also get a bunch of different other languages. So I know we've got French, I think we've got German, and I'm not sure about the third one, but these I'm not going to be using unless I figure out what the words say. So I've been using these to stick on. You can stick them on the cards. You can stick them on anything, but here's a card that I've done. This is what I did with one of my cards. I stuck on the words to do with a couple little flower stickers, and then this is a green card, and I adhered it with glue behind this one so it looks like it has a bit of a frame, and I have it on my on my magnet clip, and then I can move it anywhere I want. Here's another card that I made, and these were all stickers with the pack. Today I'm creating. I really like that, so I have that one. Here's another one that I made like the calendar, and I put important and I put other little stickers, and again you just put on your clip, and whoops, it's backwards because you want to make sure that that magnet is on the back to adhere to the board. I mean, it's really easy. You can have so much fun. But here is one really fun thing that I like, and this is a little pocket. We're going to put one together here in just a second, but you can drop other things in it, like you can drop your cards in it or anything else, and it can hold up with one clip, but I put two, and I think I had it something like here, and you've got this. I've used a bunch of the little stickers on there, and you get two pockets. This is one, and this is the other one. And at first I wondered what they were because they look like little shirts. And I thought, what is a shirt doing on a magnet board? But I'm going to move the magnet board, and I'm going to show you how to put together. Oh, the other thing you get is you get a roll of tear and tape, because you need tear and tape to help you put together the pocket. And so what we do is you just fold on all the score lines, and you can turn it either way depending on which side you want to face out. And it has all these great score lines here. And so let's just score them. They're scored, and we just need to burnish them. And then they're going to go alternating. They're going to alternate so that they make the little, they make it so that the pocket will open. It gives the width there. And what we're going to do is then you just use the tear and tape and glue them right up like that. So let's do our other side. Just burnish those folds, and it's so clear where they are. You don't even need to, I mean, this is just such an easy kit, and the fun is filling it up and putting your stickers on and everything. So there we've got, I think I'm going to have it be the graph look. I could have it be the green look, but I think I'm going to go with the graph look. And now we're just going to take some of our tear and tape, and this is super easy to use. You just put it down on this little thin area, the little thin fold. Tear it off. Now what I like to do is I like to use my bone folder to really press it down there, and then a little pair of scissors to pull that little edge up, just like that. And let's do the other one while we're at it. We're just going to put this tear and tape down, tear it off. You get everything you need in the kit. There's nothing you need except what have I pulled out, the bone folder and the scissors. But you can certainly do it without either one of those. And then we're ready to just adhere those right like that. And there we go. There's our little pocket. Isn't that cute? And now what we can do is we can put any of these stickers on it that we want to. And we could cut up some of the cards if we wanted to. We could do anything, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this particular border, and it's made to fit exactly along the bottom or inside, but I'm going to put it right here along the bottom of my little pocket. And look at that, it fits just perfectly. And now we can just go ahead and decorate to our heart's content. Let's see. I'm thinking I might put Celebrate Today on the front of this pocket. I'm just going to put Celebrate Today right on there. And now we can add flowers and leaves. Let's see, maybe we'll have our flower go this way. And we can put leaves on. Let's see how we might have our leaves. see, maybe we'll put our leaves over here. Let's put a leaf over there. We have these little extra leaves, so we can have these just poking out there if we want to. I don't know. I don't think I like that. All right, let's put another flower over there. Let's put this lighter colored one. And we'll just put this right up in there like that. And we've got all kinds of things. We can put little hearts. We've got fun little hearts. Let's see. Let's put a little heart right there. Isn't that just cute? And you've got lots of other stickers left for another occasion. And so let's bring our magnet board in, and now we have 2 pockets. Put it up there so we can see. So we've got the 2 pockets, so I'll take one of these off and put it right up here. And look at that. We can just arrange this however we want. Put one pocket in the center, one down below. Let's see. Let's have this going up like that. And maybe we'll put this one here. And maybe I should end up with another one instead of the, let's see, let's put this guy over here and put that little calendar right there. Isn't that cute? You can just put all kinds of things. Now another thing I was doing earlier is I even put on one of my own cards, a card that I'd made to display it, right like this. And there's my own card. So it also can be a place to display your own cards. Look at that. And you can drop little notes inside the pocket. You can put some of the, that would be like a to-do list, and I could put a sticker to do and put that right in there. Isn't that just the cutest? And it has a great little, let's see if I can do this and turn it over. I want to remind you, it has a neat hanger on the back. So really all you need is like a push pin or a nail to hang it in your craft room or in your craft space or wherever. If you work, you might want to put this in your office. I just think this is the cutest project and kit, and it's called the Celebrate Today Magnet Board Kit. And my encouragement to you is, if you like it, order it right away. You can order it in my online store, and I'll have a link with this video so that you can have a link directly to my online store, directly to this kit, so that you can order one for yourself. Get them before they're gone because they are so cute. I think these are going to sell out in a flash. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the fun Celebrate Today Magnet Board Kit. I hope you get one for your room, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.